Claude Design is insane. Anthropic has done it again, and if you're a fan of Claude Code, Cowork, all the Claude stuff, design is the next best thing to come out. So I'm going to show you today how to use it. I'm going to give you 5 amazing prompts and use cases for your business to help you not only move faster, design things faster, but also get more traffic to your website, to your business. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this, and this is only going to continue to improve and get better. But let's dive in. I'll show you how to use it, and now I'm going to give you these amazing prompts right now. So to access it, you have to access it as of now from a web browser. So you just access it through, you type in the web browser claude.ai/design, and it'll bring this up. Obviously, you have to have a Claude account to be able to use this. But it does have some examples, use cases with built-in prompts here that you can use, grow more and more as more people start to use this. So there's a couple of design options here. You can do prototypes, which is kind of built-in designs. You can do a slide deck. You can start from a template, one of these templates, or you can just do other to get started that way. The really cool thing is you can set up a design system, so you can basically add in all of your brand assets and then create projects around specific brands. So this makes it really next level and very specific to what you're trying to do, and you can do that as many times as you want. So let's go over, here are a couple of prompt use cases that you guys can use inside of here so you can get started building out this stuff. So there's a couple of different ones I have for you. The first one is a landing page. So you just copy and paste this in there, and you can create a high converting landing page for a specific product, specific service, whatever you're selling. It'll create this for you. So just copy and paste this in there, and then it's going to ask you questions along the way as it's creating the landing page. So what you can do, what I've been doing with businesses is creating these landing pages, and then obviously connecting to them with SEO optimized content to drive traffic back to the landing pages, back to the lead magnets to get leads, obviously to get more traffic, sales, conversions. I'm going to show you another tool that I use to drive that traffic back to landing pages. It's a really cool tool as well, so you can use in conjunction with Claude and your SEO and your business strategy. Another one here is a lead magnet prompt. So same thing here. It's going to use your brand assets and create an amazing lead magnet. So it's going to ask you for your brand style, format type, and it's going to create a cover page, welcome intro page, table of contents, core content pages, workflow, action page, all this stuff that you need for an amazing lead magnet according to whatever you're trying to sell, and then link your traffic back to this lead magnet. I'm going to jump, because I created this one, I'm going to jump to the 5th one here, and then we'll go back. This one I thought was next level. This is really cool. So you can create an animated explainer video, again, to your visual style, to your brand colors. If you do your design system, it's even better, but it's going to ask you for all this stuff anyways. So what you can do is, if you just copy, I'm going to show you I already created this, but I'm going to show you kind of the beginning of it so you kind of see what it does. So if you just go in here, I'll just do test new, we'll do create, and then here, you can start with a sketch and draw this out. You can add a screenshot, you can do a design system, you can add a code base. Anything that you do in here, you can transfer over to Claude Code, or a desktop app, whatever you want to do. So we're just going to paste this in here, this prompt, and then hit send, and you're going to see it's going to analyze the prompt, and then it's going to ask you for more questions about your explainer video. So this is all built into the prompts. This is why it's nice to just copy and paste it. So what's the core concept? Who's the audience? CTA, visual style, tone, color palette. What should the deliverable be? Aspect ratio, caption, anything else, and then you proceed further. I think it'll ask you a couple of more questions, but very easy interface to use. You're just answering questions, which makes it really, really nice. So I did one actually for the auto blogger that I use. So this is Arvow. This is what I was talking about. I use this to create brand friendly AI generated articles to drive traffic back to my landing pages, back to my lead magnets. So I'm using this, and I have a lot of clients using this, and they're getting tons more traffic and ranking, and they're showing up in AI citations. But this creates amazing articles that are SEO optimized that you can use to drive traffic back to your product, back to your services. So you can see it has all the built-in SEO bells and whistles. So I did one for that. I would definitely check this out. There's a link below. It's awesome. So here's one for an explainer video that I just showed you. that I just basically added in. Let me rewind this. So I didn't do anything besides answer those couple of questions, and then I put just a link to Arvow. So it basically analyzed the website and then created this explainer video that's less than 60 seconds that you can use for your hero image on your website. You can use for social media. It'll do whatever aspect ratio you want. And this is really good out of the box. I could have tweaked this a lot more and gave it a lot more information. I just wanted to see what it would do kind of out of the box with just that prompt. So again, you can use it for social media, whatever, according to your brand, to make your content more engaging. So really cool. It was all just from that prompt. All right, so going back to the next one. So this one is for SEO website architecture. So this is good if you're, again, tying this back to SEO, driving traffic back to your website, building your business. This is really good from an architectural standpoint of planning out your website according to content pillars, because when you are trying to rank your website and get more traffic, you obviously have your homepage, but then you're going to have your core services, what you're offering, and then you're going to have content pillars under each service talking about your specific service and the inner workings of your service. What are you trying to target? What are your solutions? So this is going to help you build that out. And then what I do, again, I go and use Arvow to help send traffic back to those service pages and back to those content pillars. So everything kind of works. Everything kind of goes full circle. So you're creating content that's going back into these content pillars. So this is going to help you kind of plan all that out. Again, you can copy and paste that. If you write prompt below, I'll give you these prompts. So you just copy and paste this in there, and it's going to help you build out your homepage tier, your core pillar pages, your service sub pages, location pages, which is really important for SEO, supporting cluster articles. So it's going to give you ideas for this. Again, you can take these clusters, put them back into Arvow to create these blog articles according to your tier or according to your keyword and title that you want to rank for. Supporting pages, resource hub, and then it's going to have visual requirements. So yeah, again, all you have to do is copy and paste that. Amazing prompt to help grow your business. And finally, number 4, since we already skipped ahead to number 5, is for backlink outreach. So this is a really good prompt. Obviously, if you're into growing your business through SEO, backlinks are really, really important. And a lot of that comes from, to get to really good backlinks, you have to do outreach. So this is going to build out email templates for you to be able to do that outreach, and you can have well-designed emails with visual elements so they kind of stand out and hopefully have a better chance of getting responses back in order to get more backlinks back to your website so you can continue to grow. Yeah, that's how you use, those are some prompts, and that's how you use design. Claude Design, there's so many use cases. This is just the beginning, but I think this is next level, and this is the next direction that Claude is going, which is wild.